Hello, welcome back to the Geeks Garage. We're still in lockdown. I couldn't wait any longer. I had to trim my own beard, so I don't have a beard anymore, I just have stubble. Still haven't had a haircut, but hey ho. Right, today, this came through the mail. The repair is a Joycon which has been damaged. Just contact details. Wow, it's not often I see a ZL button out. The rail has been pulled. Somebody wasn't over the moon with this one. We're still getting power on the rail. Still lighting up, which is a good sign. I'm going to try and save this casing. I know it's a bit damaged at the top, but we should get away with that. Two reasons. One, I don't have this colour in stock. And two, the lady in question wants it done at a very minimal cost, so not a problem. Not a problem. I don't think we'll be. We might get that glued back in. Let's leave it to one side just in case. Right. The only thing I see missing here. This should go back in. Looks okay. The case looks okay. I'm just going to quickly connect this to a switch so I can see if the actual button works. Do I have a switch? Yes. Oh, go on right here. Oh, my camera's moved for some reason. I do apologise. Okay. Connects, paired. It's fully charged anyway. Let's see if it's happy to charge. Yep, it's charging. Happy days. I'll just check the buttons. I just need something to press that with. Whilst holding it together. Yep, the button's working fine. While we're here, we'll just check for drift while we have it in. All good. Okay. So we just need to put the button back on and glue and close it back up. Maybe try and glue this piece back in. The only thing missing is two springs. So one, two. And let's put these springs in place. There's little grooves for them to sit in, and there's also two little bits on top here for them to sit in, one just here and one on this corner here. The best way to do this is to sit the springs in first, if we can get them in the right place, which we just did, and then literally press it down. That's it. That's that button back in. Check the springs are sat right, which they are. Lovely. Now on here, let's have a little look. See if this can be put back in place. Well, to look into out of place. It really could do with a new shell for it to be perfect, but like I said, it's done on a minimal cost, and to be honest, I think it actually will sit in quite well. So we'll put a dab of glue on it, we will fit it, and hopefully it will sit in as should. Now with glue, less is more. Less is more. Hold my finger there for a few seconds. Put this lid on, otherwise we'll have no glue left. Should take 30 seconds, 45 seconds at the most, I think, give or take. Hopefully we've got it in the right place. Let's sit it on. I think I may have glued the hole shut. No bother. I will put the screw in now, just in case I have glued it shut. Just support the little bit there. Let's glue that, let's fasten that down. Okay. Let's hold it again for a few seconds because the glue in the hole is hold on, I think I've got somebody coming here to do a collection. I'll just pause this just 1 second, I'll be back. Okay, sorry about that, I just had to give a customer his things back. amazing, but it's back together and it's strong. And we'll just do a final test. We know that's still working fine. Yeah, all good. Lovely. And that can be packaged back up and sent back to the customer. Give it a quick clean. In fact, I'll give it a little clean now. Just with a small amount of alcohol. Lovely. That's that done. It'll get packaged up back to the customer. I do have a few more repairs, but I'll probably do another video tomorrow, to be fair. I have, for tomorrow, if I can just show you, I've had this kit come in. Hi Colin, key for my Z4 from James. I'm covering an address there thinking you're looking at it. Let me click these over. Yeah, key for my Z4 from James, phone number and address. Now he wants this old BMW Z4 key. I do a key upgrade to that. So this key is very similar to the new BMW E30, except it still has a key on it. Not the right blade for this one, but we swapped the blade out and we cut a new blade. So he will get this key back in the post, fully working. Unlock his car, lock his car, put his windows up, etc, etc. And it's just much more modern looking. So I'll do a video on that tomorrow, I think. I do it without needing to code to the car, and like I say, I'll show you that method on a video tomorrow. Right, thanks for watching. I think this is the only video that's not been over an hour long on my channel. So if you enjoyed the video, it wasn't really much to learn, to be honest, but hey ho. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see any more of my videos, hit the subscribe button, push the little bell button, and you'll get a notification once a week when I put my videos up. Yeah, and hopefully I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Thank you.